For this procedure, we will be replacing the actuator on the Seismic Series recliner chair. The tools required for this procedure are: first, flip the chair forward so you can access the bottom of the chair. At the bottom of the chair, locate the wires and connectors that are associated with the actuator. You will need to disconnect the connector plugs and move aside. With a 7/16 inch wrench or socket, remove the 4 bolts located on the drive arm on the left and right side of the actuator arm as shown and set bolts aside. Next, remove the 4 bolts that secure the actuator arm to the metal base of the chair and set aside. The removal of these bolts will allow the actuator arm to become free and be removed from the chair as shown. Install the new actuator arm using the 4 bolts that were removed earlier. Bolt the actuator to the metal frame by using a 7/16 inch socket starting at the bottom of the chair as shown. Next, install the top 2 bolts to the metal frame. Line up the drive arm holes to line up with the actuator base and insert the bolts. By hand, thread in the 2 bolts to get the bolts started. Then with the 7/16 inch socket, tighten the bolts down. Repeat same process as before, but on the left hand side as shown. Locate the end cables of the new actuator arm and reconnect to the plug connectors. Finally, flip the chair to its original position.